Cue the ominous music and the red graphics because we've got another one of those storms headed our way, systems that's created an alert out there.
Bracing for more than a foot of snow.
This is indeed going to be a historic storm.
About a third of the country is under some sort of winter storm warning, blizzard warning.
And a widespread foot plus of snow.
Just mentioned the power outage threat. Imagine no power with temps around 0.
Look at the snow amounts north. We're talking 12 to 20 inches of snow.
Utility companies are already preparing for snow and wind-caused outages with the incoming storm.
Statewide, either a blizzard warning, winter storm warning, or ice storm warning. This is going to affect the entire state of Wisconsin.
It sounds like it's going to be a bad one. And the only hope that we have is to get ahead of this storm and start plowing tonight. If we don't, we're going to end up buried alive.
Let's see what it's doing outside. Oh boy. It's nothing like suiting up to go remove snow in the middle of the night.
I probably will need these for when we go to the property.
Let's go see how terrible it's gonna be outside. Pretty dark. We're ready to go. Gordon's got the snow plow on the Can-Am. There's my ride. Let's do this. Go. This is the problem I was having earlier. Got so much ice on the driveway, I keep spinning out. Just trying to keep it in a straight line. Boy, there's a lot of ice under this snow. I tell ya, look at this thing. On my wish list is the enclosed cab for the John Deere because you get really, really snowy when it happens to be blowing like it is. Alright, mount back up. Let me show you guys what it's like when it's blowing at you. It's pretty intense. Boy, she's staying frosty. Got the drive done enough for now. I mean, it's gonna snow for the next 11 or 12 hours. Oh, look at this. The wife's moving my machine out for me. What a dear.
I want you to be the one that breaks that plow.
Oh, you want me to do the plowing?
Yeah, you think it's so much fun. It's just waiting to be broken.
Oh, okay. All right, let's go. Wow. Look at how much that drifted over. just plowed this morning, and look at it. This is the worst drifting so far. I mean, it's up almost to the edge of the plow. Boy, it's going to be a challenge. You can see that's the direction the wind's coming. Alright, I'll take it slow. Man, that was pretty exhilarating. Well, now we gotta move on to the shovels and the snow rakes and all the other stuff that isn't the super fun machine removal. That's the easy part. We're gonna be back out here first thing this morning. It's not snowing heavy, but it's snowing constant. This storm, this is Winter Storm Olive, and it's covering most of the northern United States. So, you know, it's a pretty significant snow. It's the kind of snow that you have to stay on top of, because if you don't, you end up losing your pass, and it makes the work a lot harder for you later on. Still coming down. Even heavier than before. Got a little break. Time to go out and plow again.
8 in the driveway?
Since last night?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, we're gonna go do the path and hope the plow doesn't break, and then come back here and do the paths around the house, blow the driveway, and then take to the shovels, and we have a whole chicken yard that needs some attention.
There is a ton of snow on this path again. Look at that.
I'm just complaining. Is that what you're filming?
No, I missed that part.
Oh,
I was just getting actions of you doing good work, but
okay. Yep, not complaining. Having a good time.
having a good time with snowstorms.